The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's here, it's now. AI research agents are changing how we interact with information. These powerful tools are capable of understanding and responding to complex queries. They can generate creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and more. They can even answer your questions in an informative way. The emergence of AI research agents marks a new era in information access and analysis. Imagine having a tireless research assistant available 24/7. An assistant who can sift through vast amounts of data and provide you with the insights you need. This is the promise of AI research agents. The competition in the AI research agent market is fierce. Key players like Google, OpenAI, and xAI are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In February 2025, xAI, the brainchild of tech visionary Elon Musk, unveiled its latest AI research agent, Grok 3. This significant release signaled xAI's ambition to be a major player in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Grok 3 is not just another AI, it's a statement. Grok 3 is designed for advanced natural language understanding and generation. It excels at research tasks, quickly analyzing vast data sets to provide users with concise and relevant information. Imagine having a conversation with a superintelligent being who has access to all of human knowledge. That's Grok 3. What sets Grok 3 apart is its speed. In a head-to-head comparison with ChatGPT and Gemini, Grok 3 consistently outperforms its rivals, delivering results in a fraction of the time. Time is precious, and Grok 3 values yours. Grok 3 represents a significant leap forward in AI research agent technology. Its release has sent ripples through the tech world, challenging the established players and raising the bar for what's possible. The AI research agent arena is crowded with contenders, each vying for the top spot. How does Grok 3 stack up against its main rivals, ChatGPT and Gemini? ChatGPT is cautious, asking clarifying questions. Gemini creates a research plan before analysis. Grok 3 prioritizes speed, executing immediately. In tests, Grok 3 consistently outpaced both. Grok 3 delivers insights in minutes, not hours. Transparency is another key differentiator. Gemini offers detailed insights into its process. ChatGPT operates as a black box. Grok 3 provides key findings up front. ChatGPT excels in research depth. It leaves no stone unturned. Gemini provides structured results with citations. Grok 3 prioritizes speed over depth. Section 4. Unveiling the technical prowess of Grok 3. Under the hood, Grok 3 is a technological marvel. This AI research agent boasts an impressive array of technical specifications that enable its remarkable capabilities. At the heart of Grok 3 lies a massive 2.7 trillion parameter architecture. To put that into perspective, imagine a neural network with trillions of connections, each representing a tiny piece of knowledge. This vast architecture is trained on an astronomical 12.8 trillion tokens, giving Grok 3 an unparalleled understanding of human language and information. Grok 3's 1 million token context window is another technical feat. This means that the AI can process and understand vast amounts of text at once, allowing it to grasp complex concepts and relationships within data. Powering this behemoth of an AI requires serious computing power. Grok 3 runs on a network of 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, some of the most powerful processors ever created. The result of this technological tour de force is an AI research agent that is 30% more accurate and 40% faster than its predecessor. Grok 3 achieved an impressive score of 79.4% on Live Code Bench, a benchmark designed to test the coding capabilities of AI systems. Section 5. Benefits and drawbacks of Grok 3. Like any powerful tool, Grok 3 has its benefits and drawbacks. Its improved accuracy and speed are undeniable assets. Researchers and analysts will appreciate Grok 3's quick access to reliable information. Advanced modes like Big Brain Mode allow fine-tuning for different tasks. Real-time data access through Deep Search is a game changer. However, Grok 3 has limitations like regional restrictions. It's only available in certain parts of the world. Another concern is its tie to the X platform. As a product of xAI, it's integrated with Elon Musk's social media platform. This raises concerns about data privacy and potential biases. the immense computing power required has an environmental impact. Section 6 Grok 3, a quirky side to artificial intelligence. Beyond its technical prowess, Grok 3 surprises with its unexpected quirks. This AI research agent isn't just a cold, calculating machine, it has personality. One of Grok 3's most talked about features is its ability to adopt different voice personalities. Need a dose of motivation? Grok 3 can deliver its responses in a rousing, inspirational tone. Looking for some tough love? The AI can dish it out with its insulting voice personality. But Grok 3's quirks go beyond voice modulation. The AI also boasts NSFW roleplay and unlicensed therapist modes, features that have sparked curiosity and debate about the evolving nature of AI interaction. These quirky features, while seemingly frivolous, hint at a future where AI is not just a tool, but a companion. Grok 3 challenges our preconceived notions of what artificial intelligence can be, blurring the lines between machine and personality. Section 7. Summary: Grok 3 and the future of AI. Grok 3's arrival has shaken up the AI landscape. This powerful AI research agent, with its impressive technical specifications, advanced features and quirky personality, offers a glimpse into the future of information access and analysis. While not without its drawbacks, Grok 3's benefits are undeniable. Its speed, accuracy, and real-time data access make it an invaluable tool for researchers, analysts, and anyone who needs quick and reliable insights. As AI research agents continue to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and powerful tools to emerge. Grok 3 is just the beginning. The future of AI is here, and it's both exciting and a little bit strange. What are you waiting for? Explore the future of AI with Grok 3. Your journey into the world of advanced artificial intelligence starts now.